Kabababa ko lang po, passengers po yung sinakyan ko as a security guard. Security guard po ako ng barko for 8 months at kabababa ko lang po. Ang bilis ba? Bilis ba? Ang tagal! Ang tagal, Charis. Welcome back. Mahal ko, talentadong seaman. Dito talaga ako nagsimula. Bago ako sumampa, nandito na ako. Dito na ako sa talentadong seaman na to. At nandito ako as a family nyo. Charot! Pinapakanta nyo ako kagad, ha? $10. Ay, dollar?
Ano dito, kawang gawa?
Di na ako makanta.
Ito yung narin.
Masayaw na ako eh. Masayaw. Grabe mag-request. Wala akong marinig.
Bakit? Ay, hindi na mo ba, sir?
Game na. Okay na po. Request po niya. Ito din yung una kong kinanta dito, ah. Two old friends meet again, wearing all their faces, and talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts fell apart somewhere long ago. How a day to know. Someday they meet again and have a need for more than reminiscence. Maybe this time it'll be loving of mine. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. Sana all. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. Feeling like a girl is the only place. They were too young to know when love is real. But somehow some things never change, and every time hasn't cooled the flame is burning even brighter than it did before. We got another chance, and if they take and maybe this time it'll be loving the fine. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when we tried. And something can't tell, waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time it'll be loving to find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. But maybe this time, maybe this time, love won't end. Tanggal naman yung ganda ko doon. Tanggal yung ganda ko, sir. Nawala yung fresh. Bakit?